Alright y'all, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy, dude. We only started a month ago and man, we're growing so fast on this channel. Thank you guys so much. Because of that, this is gonna be like my 1,000 subscriber special. It's gonna be a Q&A, so I'm gonna be answering your guys' questions right now. How did you hide your hair while it was growing out through the awkward stage? Because that's where I'm at right now. So a way I styled my hair during the awkward stage, I had this headband. Hold up, I'll be right back. So I had this headband right here. This is what I used during the awkward stage. I'll put a picture right here. See, this is how my hair looked like during the awkward stage. So like, this thing really helps. That's one way to deal with the awkward stage. Also, you could wear hats as well, but I wouldn't wear hats too much because it's not good for your hair. Next question. I'm Asian. My hair is very straight. Any tips to make it wavy? I got you. Okay, so you want your hair wavy. All you need to do is braid your hair at night. So if you braid your hair, if your hair is long enough to braid, then you should braid your hair at night. And then once you take it off, you'll have some nice waves. That's a healthy way to make your hair wavy, besides heat and curls, because braids is a protective hairstyle. So yeah. Next question. Can you make a video on what you do on shower days like shampoo? I've got this question a lot. So you guys want me to do a video on how I wash my hair and shampoo stuff in the shower? I probably might do that in the future someday, because it's highly requested. I'll probably do that video probably like 3 videos from now, because I already got a couple of other videos planned out. But yeah, I'll do that video soon, how I wash my hair and stuff like that.
Look, we got money, Brian. I'm gonna rub your ass when you get rich.
I'm not getting paid yet, but I will soon.
I'm gonna rub your ass. Welcome.
Yes.
Welcome, my nigga.
What's up, my nigga?
Next question. Do you wear a shower cap on non-shampoo days, or do you just wet it anyways? Tips for frizzy hair. My hair is wavy and thick. Same, my hair is like thick, kind of wavy straight. So, you know, you and me got about the same hair type. So, I don't wear a shower cap when I take a shower. I just like tie it up, and then I try not to get my hair wet. But obviously, it's gonna get a little wet here and there. But next question. What about your facial hair? Why don't you have a beard? I want to grow out my beard, but just so you guys know, it's so patchy. It's not like fully formed, you know what I mean? Like if I were to grow it out, it wouldn't look good. I only grow a beard from the bottom, which sucks. Like right now I shaved it, but who wants a beard on the bottom, you know what I mean? But it's still forming, you know? Next question. What is your favorite hairstyle to wear? And how many months should I expect to be able to tie all of my hair in a full man bun? Keep up the hair vids, dude. Hey, thanks, man. My favorite hairstyle to wear is probably this hairstyle, even though I don't wear it as much. I like this hairstyle because the hair doesn't get in your face and it looks pretty masculine, you know. And it will probably take you like 14, 15, maybe 13 months to tie a full man bun. It just depends on how fast everyone's hair grows at a different rate. Next question. What do your friends say about your hair, girls and boys? Honestly, it's like, I'd say a 50-50. Some people say don't cut it, grow it out, it looks nice. Some people say, honestly, you look better with short hair. But everyone has different opinions. I mean, most of them are supportive of with my hair right now, how it is. Next question. Dude, I'm so jealous of your hair. Oh. And you're a great content creator. Thank you, man. You'll definitely earn a lot of subs. Keep it up. That's the goal. Hopefully this year will be the year. Next question. I can see that you put a lot of work into your hair. What else do you put a lot of work in? And are you really passionate about your hair? I do put a lot of work in my hair. I mean, you know, no sulfate shampoos, volumizing conditioner, hair moisturizer, and I do like hair masks once a week. Other things I put a lot of work in is school, and I also work out. I work out 5 times a week, and I try to eat as healthy as I can. Next question. How did you come up with the idea to grow your hair out? Okay, so I had short hair all my life, literally all my life. And one day, I don't know why, I was just curious to grow it out because one of my friends, Malcolm, he has long hair. So I'm like, you know what, I might grow it out. I was in the awkward stage, like, yeah, my hair was all messy and stuff, but I just like rocked it like that. I didn't really mind. But then once it started getting longer, I'm like, oh, this actually looks nice. And then I started like styling it, taking more care of it. So yeah. Alright, next question. I'm glad I'm gonna be one of the OGs of this channel one day. Hey, met you through your hair transformation video, and by the time your latest video was the mukbang one. Dang, so you've been here for a while. Thanks, man. A lot of people discovered me from the hair transformation video. That video did really good right now at this very moment. has 200,000 views. Thanks to you guys. I just can't believe it. That's a lot of views. I mean, I just started out and I was mind blown on how well that video did. And most of you guys probably came from that video, and hopefully you guys would stay to this channel because we just started. We're gonna have better videos in the future. Trust me. How many siblings you have and with their names? I have two siblings. My sister, which she is 13 years old. Her name is Katie. And then I have a brother named Alex. Yeah. Next question. How tall are you? Your boy is 5'10". I ain't that short. I ain't that tall. I'm average. Next question. When are you gonna cut your hair? Honestly, I will cut my hair one day, but when I do cut it, I'm gonna donate it. I don't know when the day will be, but just so you guys know, I'm not gonna have long hair forever. All he needs now is some proactive, then he's set. Okay, I've been getting this question recently. I know, guys, my face is not clear. I'm just gonna say it straight up, you know? I'm gonna say it straight up because we're family, you know? My face is not the clearest, but I just want you guys to know that I wash my face every morning, every night. It's just my genetics. I don't have Proactive, but I have a different brand. I have a face cleanser and I have a face moisturizer. I've been seeing progress on my skin. It was a lot worse like 5 months ago, so it's slowly getting better. Hopefully my skin will be better. Those of you guys that also struggle with acne, you guys understand what I mean. If you watch basketball, who is your favorite team? I don't watch basketball. Do you watch basketball?
Well, guys, I don't really watch basketball a lot, but
the only team I know is the Suns, so I'm just gonna I'm just gonna say the Suns is the best. I don't watch basketball, to be honest, but I'm just saying.
For those of you guys that do watch basketball, my favorite basketball player is Derrick Rose. So wherever he goes, I go.
Oh yeah, subscribe to him, guys. You guys will see a video after this one. We made a video together, but I'm gonna upload it after this video. So check his channel out. He just started, and yeah. He was like one of my inspirations to grow my hair out.
Hey.
Okay, so next question. My hair is wavy and it's hard to style it without blow drying it, but blow drying makes my hair unhealthy and I want to grow it. 5 months till now. Any advice? You could still blow dry your hair, just blow dry it with cold air instead of hot air, and then you're pretty much set. I've been growing my hair for 4 months and I can't find a good way to style it. I end up not liking my hair, any hairstyle I try. What do you think? So, if you're 4 months in, you're most likely in the awkward stage. Trust me, you can't really do anything in the awkward stage. Like, I went through it as well. Just, you gotta fight through it until it gets long enough to like tie it up and do different unique hairstyles. So, it's your preference. So if you want to grow it out, you can, but if you just want to cut it and go back to how you used to do, you can also do that. It's up to you. Next question. You look like 6'9". I swear, I've got this a lot. I don't know why a lot of people keep on saying I look like 6'9". I don't see the resemblance. I'm just saying personally, but is it because we're both Mexican? Yeah, I've got this comment a lot on my hair transformation video. All you see is, you look like 6'9", you look like 6'9". I don't know. I never realized that I look like him. Next question, what grade are you in? I'm a freshman in college. Next question, what's your goal for 2019? Hopefully, I want to gain about 10 pounds of lean muscle. Another goal for 2019 is, I really want this channel to skyrocket. Next question, you should meet up with Gerald Anderson. I've seen a couple of his videos. That'd be cool if I can meet him, but I don't know, I feel like I'm too small of a channel right now. But hey, maybe one day in the future we could make a video together. How does it feel to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Honestly, it's mind-blowing, feels great. I couldn't have done it without you guys, obviously. We hit 1,000 subscribers, just so you know. We did, not me, it was we. And this next question, do you think the next YouTube Rewind will be better than the 2018 Rewind? If Rewind actually makes a change and actually puts the most popular videos in the Rewind, then it will be better than 2018, but you know, I don't know if they're gonna listen, you know? I don't know. Hopefully it does get better. Next question, what are we gonna do about the USA? We're gonna save the USA, we're gonna save the country, because we're the saviors, you know? That's what we do. Next question, can I use egg hair masks on my... Bruh, you can, duh. I mean, why wouldn't you? Doesn't everyone do that? If you want your hair thick, might as well. I'm just kidding. I'm playing. Next question. Can you keep your egg hair mask overnight and wash it in the morning? Or does that only work for olive oil? Because it will absorb much better. Honestly, I wouldn't put an egg hair mask before you go to sleep overnight, because it should only last 20 minutes. Because if you have it too long, your hair will really dry out. Bro, we hit 1,000 subscribers. We hit 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. We hit 1,000 subs. Thanks, guys. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for commenting down below on my previous video for this Q&A. Thank you guys so much, and I'm sorry if I didn't answer all you guys' questions. I might just answer you guys' questions individually. It's because there's 100 questions and I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm gonna try to upload more frequently. Comment down below on this video how many times a week do you guys want me to upload. Do you guys want me to upload once a week, 3 times a week? I'll see you guys in our next
video.
Alright, peace.